Hi everyone, welcome back to Future Direct's YouTube channel. Today's quick tutorial will show you how to download the P30 document in 2025, also known as the Statement of Returns or Acknowledgement for Payment Instructions in your company's ROS account. Whether you need it for payroll, accounting, or record-keeping purposes, this document is recognized in Ireland to prove your monthly PAYE and PRSI contributions. There are two different ways to get your P30 through your company's ROS account, and we will walk you through each one step by step so you can choose what works best for you. First, go to www.ros.ie and log into your company's ROS account using your digital certificate. Now, if you don't have access to the company's ROS account, that's usually because an accountant or tax agent is managing your business's taxes. In that case, just reach out to them. They'll be able to log in through their agent portal and get the P30 for you. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main page under My Services. From there, we can start locating the P30. If you are a tax agent, your view might be slightly different depending on the permission you are allowed to assess your client's revenue account. For instance, a payroll filing agent will only be able to see the payroll section column. In this case, you must use the second method to get a P30 document. Before we dive into the tutorial, please note that the document for the month will only be ready on your account from the 5th of the month, and it is the employer's responsibility to ensure that it matches your own payroll records. Any discrepancies in the payroll submission should be amended as soon as possible, and the updated document will be generated soon. Under the Return column, click on the Statement of Account. You will reach an online Statement of Account dashboard. From there, you can see the monthly pay contributions you have filed on your payroll cycle. Select the year and locate the month that you wish to download. At the right-hand side, select the View Accept button. You will then see the monthly employer pay return submission, which includes the income tax, PRSI, USC, and LPT that your company have filed and paid for the month. This is the P30 that you are looking for. If you haven't made the monthly pay and PRSI contributions yet, you will be required to do so. You will need to take a screenshot of this page and save it to your computer. During the process, you need to make sure that the screenshot also includes your organization name at the very top of the browser. If the first method does not apply to your situation, let's go with the second method. However, in this method, you must ensure that the monthly pay contribution has already been made. On the top option bar, select Revenue Record. If you are an agent, it will be the client's revenue record. Once you are in the Revenue Record page, in the left-hand option panel, click on the word Payments. Next, filter the tax type/duty to PAYE-EMP. This will be another P30 document that can be accepted. It shows the organization name, your tax registration number, and the payment made. Take a screenshot of this page and save it on your computer. That is how you obtain your P30 document. If you have any questions and wish to get clarification, please reach out to Future Direct, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.